Packout. It came quick. We had a lot going on. We were son joined the army. We got everything we could get done as fast as we could get done. But they're here today, and we got this little narrow road, but it's hard for them, so it's gonna be a 2-day process. They're gonna go out there and pack everything right now, and then our neighbors across the street, you see, they're storing their house at the same time, so they got a lot of stuff moving, and it's making it difficult. So we have a bunch of dishes piled up here. They're starting to bring everything in already. See, they're very quick. But we have to get these things washed right now. Quick update. Got the dishes done. They're moving fast like wildfire. This area used to be full of stuff. This is our bathroom. See, they'll just take everything that they can't take and they'll stick it in a sink or something. This closet here used to be full of stuff. Now it's just whatever. Government washer and dryer. Told them not to worry about the shower room and everything. But they have everything neatly placed down there, ready to go. Neatly placed over here. And then there's a couple other items in the garage. They packed their toothbrush. All of them. The toothpaste, toothbrushes, floss, water pick, even the Sonicare toothbrush, everything is packed up. The movers are on a break right now. They came here at 8, they worked solid until 10:30. Went down, grabbed some food, had their little smoke break. Still got a lot of pictures and paintings and everything else. I knew how to keep this Bivo stick. Forgot that was in here. We don't need the tripod though, right? That's me. Way back in the day. That's our tatami room. It's got the carpet down on it. They're gonna move that. The living room. There was a table still here, but there were quite a few other things, photo frames and stuff. Our shelf with all our trophies, all our what do you call that? Participation trophies, knickknacks and whatnot. Go look upstairs, and let's see, bed parts, because we have, the girls have a trundle bed in here. There's a lot of parts. And then I don't know if they did get to the boys' room. I'm a little confused by this guy. How come this made its way from the other room into Lyndon's room? Weird. And then our stuff hasn't been touched yet. Yes. So we put our remotes back on the walls, make sure that they don't take them. Here in Japanese housing, both the lights and the AC have a remote. I went through and did that in every room. And then this little piece of tape on the door means they're not going to touch the stuff that's in here. We still have a lot of stuff we're going to be bringing with us because we're making 2 separate trips. Some of this stuff is going to be handed off, kept, passed on, brought with us, whatever else. But it's protected behind that little piece of tape. There's the stuff behind us over there. Going on a little lunch break. Walking down to the 7-Eleven. Myself a hot 7-Eleven latte. A couple of these onigiri and stuff in here, and I'm headed home. Get out the way. Oh, I hope nothing's broken.
Pick up tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay. Yes, that part's hard. Ooh. Ooh. They're gonna pick this couch up tomorrow. So, funny story about this couch. When we moved in here 3 years ago, the movers wouldn't move it. And I removed this window and everything myself. So, you want me to put it back up here so it doesn't rain inside? This actually protects this side from the rain.
Because the wind is not blowing towards us right now.
But they want to get that tomorrow.
Please no.
So when we got here, when we moved in May 2016, it was raining. Harder than this, but still it was raining. Ooh, there's some lightning. That's no good. They're gonna have to probably quit soon. But I was close to. I can actually feel the rumble from that. We're next to power lines in the window and stuff. Oh man. So anyway, what I was saying was some of our stuff got kind of moldy and mildewy and everything. So this is not just for information, but to kind of keep a record that, you know, we asked them to move it tomorrow. And a few of the things still went out in the rain. Oh, somebody turned the floor heater on. That's our floor heater, by the way. They probably bumped it. Still feels pretty good, actually. Did you feel it over here? You gonna just leave it on?
It will flip or switch.
My phone went dead earlier, and they're pretty much done with everything for today. They're gonna come back tomorrow. They're gonna finish up with packing and moving stuff around, and I'll get some video and pictures of the end result. But there's not really a lot to say other than it's hectic. Make sure if you're gonna get ready for your Packout Day that you have a space set aside for you to kind of hang out and wait for them, like, you know, in case I could ask you questions or anything like that, but also just somewhere to chill. Like, we downloaded a couple TV shows and had some snacks and stuff like that, but definitely wasn't enough. And dressed like a dork all day, wearing a friggin' hoodie and basketball shorts with slippers and stuff like that. So tomorrow we're gonna be better prepared.